Hi, my name is Marilyn Inishu Barbin from BET ELX 1P.
This is our tutorial. Patterns in nature are variable regularities of form found in the natural world. A pattern is an arrangement which helps observe anticipate what they might see or what happened next. These are the types of patterns in nature: symmetry, fractals, spirals, spot and stripe. Symmetry. Symmetrical patterns are a design or pattern that is the same on both sides when folded. Symmetrical patterns can have one line of symmetry or more. Fractals. These are never-ending patterns that are self-similar across different scales. Spiral. These are curved patterns made by series of circular shapes revolving around the central point. Spot and stripe. Patterns are also in the internal appearance of animals.